Oh, geez.
National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Montgomery County and central Maryland until 4:45 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Poolsville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Germantown, Gaithersburg, Damascus, Poolsville, Montgomery Village, North Potomac, Boyds, Clarksburg, Darnestown, Barnesville, Bealsville, and Dawsonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.